How to fix when TikTok says no internet connection. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can fix when TikTok says no internet connection. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first, whenever you open up TikTok, let's say that you're having the issue, it simply says no internet connection or anything as such. And if you actually want to change that, then what you can do is first, if you're using Wi-Fi, I would just recommend you try to switch to cellular data. And if you're using cellular data, I would just recommend you to go ahead and then use Wi-Fi. What this does is that sometimes the TikTok will also actually be blocking your IP address, so changing your IP address is a great way to get away with that. Other thing you can do is check whether or not your internet is working properly. So as I said, try to switch and try to also check other social media apps such as Facebook or any other apps, whether they're working just fine or not. And another thing that you can also do is just open settings. Once you open settings, here you can go to apps, and once you go to apps, you want to go ahead and then search for the app called TikTok over here. And once you find TikTok, just make sure to tap on it once. As you tap on it, go to storage, and what you want to do is clear the cache files. Clearing the cache will temporarily delete all of the junk files that you have stored over here. If possible, also try to clear the data, but keep in mind that it is going to delete all of your draft videos which you have saved. It might also delete your filters and effects that you've downloaded on TikTok, and you might have to re-download them again, and it will also basically log you out of your account. And last but not the least, what you can do is launch your respective app store. If you're on Android, open Play Store. If you're on iOS, open App Store. In the search box, you want to type in TikTok. Once you type in TikTok, if you see an update button there next to the TikTok app, I want you to go over and then update it to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. That's all it takes to fix if TikTok says no internet connection. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.